What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making loaded baked potatoes with shrimp and bacon. Not just any bacon, oh so super crispy bacon, guys. Oh my goodness, this is another banger in the kitchen. Oh so delicious. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste no time. Let's get started. All right, to begin, we're gonna be using 3 of these potatoes and we are just gonna poke some holes in them with this fork just like so. And at this point, you can go ahead and already preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Yes, you can microwave these potatoes, kind of wrap them in a napkin, throw them in the microwave, but I'm trying to stay away from the microwave. We're gonna toss these bad boys in the oven. So once you're done poking those holes, go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Go ahead and give them a nice luxurious massage. Okay, rub all that in. And like I said, we are gonna toss these in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees, and we are going to move on to the next step. All right, so I have myself a small portion of a scallion. We are just gonna chop up this green portion just like so. Chop it up, chop it up, chop it up, okay? And we are gonna set that to the side and move on to our shrimp. These are medium shrimp, peeled, deveined, with the tail off. This is just like a little handful of shrimp. Mind you, we are messing with some, baked potatoes, so we don't need a large amount of shrimp, if you know what I mean. So we are sprinkling on some Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, and we are gonna mix it up. I did end up adding a little bit more Old Bay because we always heavy-handed with the seasoning. You already know what it is. Go ahead and sprinkle that on. Get your shrimp well coated up, all right? And once that's all said and done, we are gonna get a pan nice and hot and get that bacon sizzling, baby. All right, so we are going to be using 3 strips of bacon. Get that in that pan, get it sizzling. Okay, cook it to your liking. I like mine, right in the middle, not too crispy and not too flabby, if you know what I mean. I know some people love their bacon like super like almost burnt, and I cannot, guys. But go ahead and cook your bacon, and you are going to set it to the side once that's all said and done. And in this same exact pan, we are going to cook our shrimp in a moment. All right, now that you have your bacon removed from the pan, go ahead and drop your shrimp in there, okay? Let that shrimp sizzle. Shrimp cooks very quickly. And mind you, this is gonna go in the oven for a little bit as well. I'm gonna let it kind of cook and sizzle for about 2 minutes on each side. Go ahead and give it a flip at that 2-minute mark, and you see the beautiful color we have on this shrimp. It looks amazing, smells amazing, okay? All right, once your shrimp is all done, you're gonna go ahead and remove it from the pan. All right, we are gonna double back to that bacon, okay? Go ahead and slice that bacon up, chop it up, okay, into some nice sized bacon bits. You know what I mean? Once that's all said and done, our potatoes are just about ready out the oven. Go ahead and slice them right down the middle, just like so, all 3 of them. Be very careful because they are very hot. Don't burn yourself now. Go ahead and slice them down the middle, kind of squeeze, like the Squeeze like the ends of the potato to kind of make that slot open up a little bit, and scoop out as much as the inside as you possibly can. Put it in a bowl. Go ahead and do that until you have all 3 of your potatoes emptied out, all right? So we have everything scooped out in this bowl. We are gonna add in those scallions that we chopped up earlier. We're gonna add in that crispy bacon. We're gonna add in some sharp cheddar cheese. We're gonna drop in a little dollop of sour cream. We gonna hit it up with some salt and pepper, okay? And I recommend throwing a little bit of cream, like heavy cream in here as well. For whatever reason, I did not, but go ahead and drop like a little splash of heavy cream or some milk, whatever you have on hand, and mix it all up just like so. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, okay? And once you have it all mixed up, you are gonna stuff these potatoes right back up with all of that goodness, okay? You're gonna stuff each and every one of these potatoes. All right, now that we have our potatoes all filled back up, go ahead and grab some handfuls of that sharp cheddar, and we are gonna top off each and every one of these potatoes. Once we have them topped off, do not forget about that shrimp, okay? Do not forget about that shrimp. We are gonna place a good amount of shrimp on each and one of these potatoes as well. And yeah, we had a little bit of bacon in the filling, you know, inside these potatoes, but we have to top this bad boy off with some bacon as well. So go ahead and top this thing off, okay? Grab the rest of your bacon and just go crazy, okay? Like there's no tomorrow. Just grab it all. Everything you have left, just put it right on top of these potatoes, and we are gonna toss it back in the oven, okay? Toss it back in the oven at 400 degrees for about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes, or until you see, you know, the cheese on the top is all melted up and looking oh so beautiful. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. This is how you should be looking right out of the oven, and how it's looking is absolutely beautiful, stunning, amazing. This is, man, I'm lost. I'm at loss for words, guys. This looks so good and it tastes even better. Go ahead and plate these bad boys up. You know, get them on. Get your most beautiful china out, okay? Get your most beautiful plate out the cabinet. put it on the countertop and plate these bad boys up, sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top, and bam, you is in the game. You winning, okay? Guys, this is so good, so delicious, so much flavor going on. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe because it is absolutely amazing, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Doses.